Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a course which is called Python programming course, and Python is very highly paid programming language and it is also used widely in different IT fields. So that's why you have to learn Python, and this course is worth it. So that's it. And after that, our today's topic is how to clear the list in Python. So clear means how to delete all the items in the list. So let's get started, and I create a new file, clear list dot py. How to clear a list or remove all elements from a list in one go. So we use clear function to clear the list. So I am creating a list which is called fruits list fruits. So I'm writing fruits name like apple, banana, orange, cherry, so I make these lists. First I want to print the fruit list, so I print fruits. Let's see the result. So as you can see, fruits list are printed: apple, banana, orange, cherry, mango, which we write above. So after that I want to clear clear the list. So I write here fruits dot clear, and after that I print again fruits. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, on first side the apple, banana, orange, the list is printed because I do not comment it out, and after that only empty string is left because I clear all the list. So in this way you can clear the list. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.